Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Ebi Pilaf, a seasoned rice dish with ebi, a Japanese word for shrimp. It is a popular Western-style dish cooked at home. While typical pilaf is usually cooked in seasoned broth, we are making this with already cooked rice and chicken bouillon powder to make it super easy. First we are cutting vegetable. Chop onion finely and slice carrot thinly and cut into thin sticks and chop. Heat the frying pan at medium heat, add oil. We use the neutral flavored cooking oil and add the butter. Melt the butter and add chopped onion and carrot. Stir and cook until onion turns translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the shrimp and cook for a minute. We are using cooked shrimp here to make it easy, but you can certainly use raw shrimp, which will make it more flavorful. And add steamed rice. This is exactly like making fried rice. In fact, this is just butter-flavored fried rice, but people also call it pilaf in Japan. Cook and stir for a couple of minutes. Now sprinkle some chicken bouillon over the rice and stir. We usually avoid packaged seasonings whenever we can, but this gives a deep and rich flavor to the dish instantly. Add salt and pepper to taste and stir. And add more butter for flavor and coat the rice with the butter. Finally, add frozen peas and cook for a minute. This ebi pilaf or shrimp fried rice with butter is so easy to make with simple ingredients, and it's surprisingly delicious. If you have some leftover rice with some raw or frozen shrimp, give this a try for a quick and tasty meal.
美味しい。